Unlock the power of nutrition with eNutrition. Introducing the Basics of Food Nutrition book series and our website, eNutrition.me. Welcome to eNutrition, where we're passionate about empowering you with the knowledge to transform your health. We believe that nutrition is the foundation of a vibrant, healthy life, and that understanding what you eat is the first step toward making informed choices that benefit your body and mind. Introducing our comprehensive book series, The Basics of Food Nutrition, a collection that demystifies the world of nutrition, making it accessible and understandable for everyone. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into the world of healthy eating, or a seasoned health enthusiast looking to deepen your understanding, our books provide a wealth of knowledge that's both practical and insightful. Our series is carefully crafted to guide you through the fundamentals of nutrition, breaking down complex concepts into clear, actionable insights. Learn about the critical roles that macronutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats play in your body. Discover the importance of vitamins and minerals and how they contribute to everything from energy production to immune function. For those who want to take their nutritional education to the next level, we invite you to explore our comprehensive online class at eNutrition.online. Here, you'll find a wealth of resources designed to deepen your understanding of nutrition. Our expert-led online lessons cover everything from the basics to advanced nutritional concepts, making complex information easy to grasp. Imagine the power of having all this knowledge at your fingertips, ready to be applied to your daily life. With our Basics of Food Nutrition series, you'll be equipped to make smarter food choices, leading to a healthier lifestyle for you and your loved ones. Our books are designed not just to inform, but to inspire, to turn knowledge into action and action into lifelong habits. Take control of your health today. Order The Basics of Food Nutrition on Amazon and visit eNutrition.me to explore our full range of educational tools. Your health is your greatest investment. Let eNutrition guide you on this journey. With the right knowledge, you can transform your diet, your health, and your life. eNutrition, nourishing your body and mind with the power of knowledge. Join us and start your journey to better health today.